Welcome to this video on architecting enterprise Odoo solutions. Discover why your business needs a dedicated technical partner rather than just a standard software installation. Odoo is a massive, proven ecosystem. With over 12 million users, 44,000 apps, and 5,000 partners, it provides a powerful foundation for businesses worldwide. The wrong question often asked is, can Odoo handle our business? The answer is a definitive yes. The platform is robust enough to manage complex operations. The real challenge is quite different. Can Odoo be made to fit the way our business actually works? This requires deeper integration and strategic planning. We must move past the illusion of the generic app. While the Odoo App Store offers thousands of modules, generic solutions are rarely enough to manage a complex company effectively. Focus on implementation questions, not just installation. A technical partner goes beyond adding fields to invoices. They define approvals, subcontractor interactions, and core business processes. Compare the implementation spectrum. A generic setup focuses on basic configuration, while the Bithost partnership emphasizes designed workflows, audited AI agents, proactive security, and proven enterprise building blocks. The Bithost architecture is built on 3 pillars: industry-specific workflows, seamless technical integrations, and secure, controlled automation. Pillar 1 is industry mastery. In sectors like construction, you need more than generic project management. You need a system capable of handling true complexity. This creates a connected ecosystem. The Bithost construction suite doesn't just configure individual apps. It ties processes like billing, vendor coordination, and budget tracking into one unified workflow. Pillar 2 covers the AI frontier and its risks. Adding AI to an ERP raises critical questions about data access, record execution, governance, and oversight. Odoo Nerve AI provides controlled automation for Odoo 17, 18, and 19. It ensures absolute visibility into AI actions, keeping humans in the loop for every approval. Remember, process first, AI second. AI only delivers a return on investment when it is strictly bounded by well-designed business workflows. Pillar 3 is the security imperative. Your ERP is a digital vault. Opening it to external platforms creates risks that must be managed with constant vigilance. Finally, the Bithost Security Monitor offers proactive posture monitoring directly inside your Odoo environment, covering access control, system configurations, and data exposure. Avoid the blank slate fallacy. True implementation means reusing proven, reliable components rather than reinventing the wheel. Strategic partners build bespoke functions only where necessary. This is the accelerator effect. You do not need to choose between a fast, generic implementation and a slow, custom one. Bithost's library of enterprise blocks delivers a tailored architecture with rapid time to value. Compare the growth of business value over time. While a traditional custom build offers a slow start, the Bithost approach accelerates value by leveraging a proven architectural foundation. An ideal partnership adapts to your sector. Whether you are in manufacturing, construction, or software, we provide the specific integrations, workflows, and security posture your business demands. Stop simply installing apps. Start architecting your business. Partner with the team that masters complex workflows, enterprise security, and controlled AI. Contact our architects today.